let me move this over here real quick. So I'm doing this screen recording on my phone because on TikTok I got asked how I do what I call zoomies for my vampire character Claire. Now, for those who don't know, obviously I do a lot of cosplay on TikTok. And and a lot of original characters too. One of them being Claire Donovan, who was only recently turned into a vampire by Jack Townsend, after years of wanting to be a vampire but cursed not to know her real name. And the Zoomy thing I actually started during a live stream because I had to go to the bathroom. And vampires don't have to go to the bathroom. So I just said, I got to do some zoomies in the hallway as a way of excusing Claire in character to go to the bathroom. And it just went on from there. All right, so here's how you actually change the speed of your filming on TikTok. Down here, you'll see, get my finger up here. Down here, you'll see numbers, okay? So when it says 1x, that's normal filming speed. When you go to the left, of course, I'll be pointing right in this video because I'm using the front-facing camera, but it's actually the left side of the screen. That's for filming in slow motion. And when you go to the right side of the screen, that is for filming in high speed, right? Now, the thing to keep in mind is when you are using the slow motion, it'll go by a lot faster when you're filming. The filming will go by a lot faster, whereas when you're filming in high speed, the filming will actually go a lot slower. So what you do is you pick your speed. Like say you want to do a super slow speed, right? And then up here, you pick the timer. Say you have a sound clip or what have you. You're going to set your timer for however long you want to do that speed, okay? Like right now I've got this set for 8.3 seconds. So you hit start recording, right? And you just move at whatever speed you want to while it's filming. And as you see, it already stopped filming. Let me show you the result. You just move at whatever speed you want to while it's filming. Okay, so that's slow speed. I'm going to discard that clip. You know, and of course, obviously, the speed next to it is a little bit faster, right? You know, where if you want to do high speed, right? Again, set the timer, however long you want, and this is when it's going to actually film longer. And you can actually move at your normal speed, or you can move a little bit faster. And as you can see, it's taking longer to film 8 seconds than it did when I was doing slow motion. So, you know, just whatever speed you want to when you film. Whatever speed you want to when you film. This is gonna take a while. Okay, it's done. And let's see the results. And you can actually move your normal speed or you can move a little bit faster. As you see, it's taking longer to film 8.6 seconds than it did when I was doing slow motion. So, you know, just whatever speed you want to when you film. Whatever speed you want to when you film. This is gonna take a while. And you can actually move your normal speed or you can move a little bit faster. As you see, it's taking longer to film 8.6 seconds than it did. You know, that's basically it. That's basically it. And of course, with the timer, of course, this is how you get transitions in. Like, you just set it to stop wherever you want. And then you can change the effects when the timer stops. Some of the effects, if you ask me, are actually kind of, yeah. Oh, there's... Sorry. So yeah, that's how I do zoomies as Claire, or when I'm doing like my other vampire character Constance, sometimes I will just have her come in really fast for a bite, because of course super speed is one of her powers, you know. It's also one of Claire's powers, obviously. So yeah, so that's how you do different film speeds on TikTok. And you all, if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to do transitions, did I ever put my tutorial on how to do transitions up on here? On YouTube? I don't think I did. I think I put it on TikTok itself. So yeah, transitions is just very simple. Again, set the timer for wherever you want. When you stop filming, when the camera will stop wherever you set it to stop. It'll stop filming, and then you can switch positions, change costumes, change your makeup, blah 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 blah. If it's going to take a long time, I highly recommend putting your phone on the charger, while you're changing, because you don't want your battery to die and then end up losing all your filming. Yeah. And that's the end of the tutorial. Yes. Bye.